Hello, welcome to another video. Let's crack 4 eggs. Amazing. So let's add some black pepper. Can be ground pepper, can add some salt as well. And let's add some Parmesan cheese. Cheddar cheese. About 50 grams each, more or less, given or taken. So let's chop some fresh coriander. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Let's add the coriander. Now we're gonna mix all well. Let's whisk well the eggs with the cheese and the coriander. Okay, so let's leftover pasta, can be spaghetti, can be any kind of pasta, and let's mix that with the previous mix that we done. It may take a while because the pasta is from the day before or from 2 days before. Now the pan needs to be very hot. Okay, let's a nice drizzle of olive oil. Let's put the pasta in the pan and let's cover it. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. And now we're gonna turn it around into a plate, and put it back into the pan. So as you can see, it's nice and golden. So now we're gonna slice about 5 or 6 fresh cherry tomatoes. And place them on the top of the frittata. Let's add some more Parmesan cheese on top. And some more cheddar cheese as well. Let's chop some spring onions. And let's place them on top of the cheese. So cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. You also can put it in the oven, it will be absolutely fine as well. And as you can see, it's nice golden with some fresh cherry tomatoes, spring onions, and a touch of cheese on the top, and absolutely amazing. A bit more of fresh coriander on top, and that's absolutely beautiful. You can put a bit more cheese if you like, and that's it. It's absolutely amazing. Wonderful. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Bye.